When it comes to hyperpigmentation, melasma, acne spots, dark spots, it really depends at what level you are dealing with the situation. You could be dealing with just superficial dark spots, which could be 4 months to 6 months old, or the second level, you could be dealing with hyperpigmentation that is several months old to years old. Now, when it comes to the first level, you can deal with those with just over-the-counter products and they can be gone. You can get some chemical exfoliants, some good active ingredients from products like The Ordinary, for example, and that can help you. Some face washes and sunscreen and you're good to go. But if you are dealing with stubborn dark marks and acne spots, melasma, hyperpigmentation, you now need to move to a level where you need horsepower ingredients. And what does that look like? It looks like going for prescription options like prescription retinol, azeliac acid retinol. You can get that from your dermatologist, and you can also consider other active ingredients that are actually going to help you to get to that goal, such as Kojic acid, Tranexamic acid, and those will really be of good use. One more that I forgot to mention is alpha arbutin is one that you would have to consider. Now, when you are dealing with this kind of pigmentation, you cannot only just be using 1 or 2 ingredients and expect to see results. You need to at least, out of the list that I've named, consider at least 3 to 5. You gradually, obviously, get into it. You can start with 2 and then get to 3 and then get to 5 different active ingredients that you're using to see what is your skin going to react to. Also considering the fact that it's not going to take just 4 weeks to get rid of those pigmentations. And while you may see improvement, you need to give it time, because the results that you can expect to see should be at least in 3 months, like complete, proper results. And then another thing that you would consider when it comes to hyperpigmentation is that you need to use a lot of sunscreen, because now your skin is exposed. Even when it's gone, you still need to use sunscreen, because a lot of people, what they don't realize is that hyperpigmentation, especially on African skin, is triggered by heat. Our skin is so sensitive to heat and scratching and irritation because we have bigger melanocytes. So because of those melanocytes, they get triggered easily, and to protect our skin, it causes hyperpigmentation. Those dark spots are actually your skin trying to protect you, and it leaves those marks. It's almost like a scab healing. And another thing that I wanted to mention is that it could be also hormonal, that you could be getting the hyperpigmentation. So you could also consider something like taking probiotics, which could help you a lot with that. So guys, when it comes to hyperpigmentation, you need to consider a variation of things. Some people also struggle with melasma, which can be triggered by pregnancy. So these are the things that you have to consider if you want real results. I hope that helps someone. See you next video. Bye. Like, subscribe, and please give me a comment. I forgot about that one. I am new on YouTube, so this is very new to me. Thank you. Bye.